In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your QuickBooks account. This process is quick and easy, taking no more than 5 minutes. Whether you're switching to another service or just need a break, I'll guide you through each step clearly and simply, ensuring you can close your account without a hassle. First things first, let's begin by heading over to the QuickBooks Online website. Open your preferred web browser, type in the QuickBooks URL and hit enter. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll see a button labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click that button. This will take you to the login page. Now type in your email address associated with your QuickBooks account followed by your password. It's always a good idea to double check that everything is typed in correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you're certain, click the Sign In button again. This should bring you to your account dashboard where you can manage all your QuickBooks activities. Once you're logged in, the next step is to find the settings menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon at the upper right hand side of the screen. Simply click on it and a drop down menu will appear. From this list you want to select the subscriptions and billing option. This is where you manage all your billing information and can make changes to your account status. Now within the subscriptions and billing section, look for the option that says cancel your trial. If you're still within your trial period, this button will be prominent. Select this option, which will prompt you to the next page. Here you'll see a button labeled cancel plan. Clicking this button will formally initiate the cancellation process for your QuickBooks account. After you click cancel plan, a confirmation box will appear on your screen with the option to confirm your cancellation. You'll see a prompt that asks, if you're sure you want to cancel your plan, click on yes cancel to proceed. This finalizes your decision to remove your QuickBooks account. It's important to ensure you no longer need access to any data on this account before confirming, as this action is often irreversible. And that's it, you have successfully cancelled your QuickBooks account. Remember, if you change your mind or need QuickBooks services again in the future, you can always sign up for a new account. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you did, please feel free to leave a comment or reach out if you have any further questions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.